Let's face it, most early career professionals set themselves up for failure. They drift without a plan, fear risks, and burn out trying to figure it all out. If that sounds like you, don't worry. This video will help you avoid the same mistakes and take control of your career. Hi, I am Manish Nema and I have helped hundreds of professionals craft successful career. Today I am sharing actionable tips to build a career plan, evaluate your trajectory, design a job search routine and keep your motivation alive. If you are ready to own your career journey, let's dive deep in. Step 1. Build a career plan. Here is how. Love, loathe, learn. Reflect on what you love about your work, what you loathe, and what you need to learn to grow. Macro versus micro goals. Set macro goals for your long-term career vision and micro goals for short-term milestones. Beware the pendulum swing. Don't overcorrect when things go wrong. Find a balanced approach to your goals. Step 2. Evaluate your career trajectory. Have confidence in your abilities. Stop doubting yourself and recognize your unique strength. Seek out new challenges. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. So take on projects that push your limits. Be willing to take risks. Sometimes the best opportunity comes from stepping into the unknowns. Step 3. Design a job search routine that works for you. Focus on your strength. Highlight the skills and experiences that set you apart. Network with people in your field. Join LinkedIn groups, attend meetups, and connect with industry professionals. Practice your interview skills. Rehearse common questions, prepare your success stories, and build confidence in presenting yourself. And finally, step 4. Stay motivated throughout your journey. Set goals for yourself. Clear goals give you direction and keep you focused. Find a mentor. A mentor can provide valuable insight and guide you through challenges. Take care of yourself. Your health is your greatest asset. Don't neglect it. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and mental health. Your early career years are foundation of your success, and with the right plan, you can thrive instead of just surviving. Which tip resonated with you the most? Comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who is starting their career, and subscribe or DM me for more cheat sheet or the updates in earlier career success. Thank you very much.